Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Bongshihari Government ITI. Today we want to discuss about job opportunities for ITI as well as diploma students. Recently there is a job announcement by Jai Balaji Group for recruiting diploma and ITI students. If you don't know about Jai Balaji Industries, then go to the search bar and type Jai Balaji Group. I give you a brief about this company. Jai Balaji Group actually having 8 integrated steel manufacturing units which spread across India in the state of West Bengal, Chhattisgarh, Orissa and Jharkhand, and a diverse portfolio of value-added products including sponge iron, pig iron, ferroalloys, alloy and mine steel. Jai Balaji always been the forefront in providing opportunities, employment into the youth of West Bengal. Recently, Jai Balaji want to recruit diploma and ITI student in different roles. The roles are following. For diploma students, they want to recruit the following stream passed out student, that is metallurgy. There is a 200 number of vacancies. Mechanical engineering 250 number of vacancies, electrical engineering 100 number of vacancies. For this particular post, they offer a stipend of rupees 11,500 per month. Plus, there are also other additional benefits are there, like the transport for stay purpose. They also provide you the fooding and lodging both in subsidized rates. After successful of this particular 1 year training, the students will be confirmed as junior engineer with the salary of 15,500 per month. For ITI students, they require fitter 950 numbers, electrician 200 numbers, welder 100 numbers, instrument or electronics 100 numbers, machinist 100 numbers, grinder 50 numbers, turner 50 numbers. Total is 1,550. The stipend offer for ITI students is 8,000 per month plus other benefits as I already told you. After successful completion of the 1 year training, they will be confirmed as the post of junior technician with the salary of 11,500 per month. The minimum eligible criteria for this appearing this job is 60% marks for ITI and diploma students, and they should not have any active backlog at the time of placement. Selection will be process will be written test and there will be an interview also. So be prepared for that particular test. Now for applying, there is a website launched by Government of West Bengal. The website link will be given in the description box. Just follow the whole video. Don't miss or skip the video, then it will be not understandable to you. This is the portal, Utkorsha Bangla portal. Here you can find the different job. Here is the placement drive for different areas. You can see that there is a Jai Balaji Industries Limited fitter taking, and the salary also is given here. If you want to apply, then click this link, apply. If you click on this link, then you have to write the trainee code is nothing but your registration number. Your registration number, you have to write your registration number here, and you have to write the date of birth here. Then you click the apply. The next page will become where you can apply for the particular post. So only students with this particular link can apply for that job. Others are not available for apply. So follow this video and to get the link where you can apply for the particular post. Also, there is a second job opportunities in Tata Lithium Battery Plant, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, Sanand. They require more than students in the field of BTech, Diploma, ITI. Also 10-12 pass students also can apply. The salary structure is given in here. For the BTech, average salary is 22,573. For Diploma is 15,347. And for ITI is 14,467. For 10, 12 or PMKVR students 15,439. Total gross salary is 24,431.1 for BTech, 17,199 for Diploma, ITI is 16,283.6, and for 10, 12 or PMKVI is 15,217.4. Other also benefits are given also here, that like the EPF, PF and other things are there. ESI also are there. So you can find in the link for applying for the Tata Lithium Battery also plant also given in the description box. So follow this our YouTube page for details about the whole recruitment type. Hope all of you will get selected for the particular job. Stay with us. Please share, like and subscribe this channel for get more videos like this. Okay, thank you for watching this. Goodbye. Jai Hind.